Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to redirect email from Outlook to Gmail or Hotmail. This is incredibly useful if you want to manage all your emails in one place or ensure you never miss important messages by having them automatically forwarded to your preferred account. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load in all your emails and sync your account. Once everything is loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin setting up the redirection. Now head to your home menu located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. From here, click on Rules. When you do this, a drop-down option will appear with several choices. From that drop-down selection, click on Manage Rules and Alerts. This opens up the control center where you can automate how Outlook handles your incoming messages. A Rules and Alerts window will now appear on your screen. From here, click on New Rule to start creating your redirection. A rule wizard will pop up to guide you through the process. In the Rule Wizard, look for Apply Rule on Message I Receive under the Blank Rule section. Click on it to select it, then click on Next to move forward. A condition selector will now appear, giving you options to specify when this rule should activate. Look for the option that says Through the Specified Account and click on its checkbox. This tells Outlook you want to apply this rule to emails coming through a particular account. Now look at the bottom part of the window where Step 2 is located. You'll see the blue highlighted word Specified. Click on it and an account selection window will appear. Here, look for the Gmail or Hotmail account you wish to redirect email from. Click on the drop-down menu, select the email address, then click on OK. Once that's configured, click on Next to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be on the Actions Selector screen, which determines what happens to emails that meet your condition. Look for the option that says Forward it to People or Distribution List and click on its checkbox. This is the action that will actually redirect your emails. Now look at the bottom part of the screen again and click on the blue highlighted text that says People or Public Group. This allows you to set the contacts or email addresses where the emails will be redirected to. Select your Gmail or Hotmail address from your contacts or type it in directly. Once you've configured the forwarding address, click on Finish, and that's it. You've now set up automatic email redirection from Outlook to Gmail or Hotmail, ensuring all your important messages are forwarded exactly where you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.